He's not sticking around. He's not. He's not bad. What's he looking at?
Looking in the bush. You got his attention.
He didn't even have to jump.
Basically just walks. He's coming down this way. He's still got a nice set of paddles on him.
What is he looking at? Something down in the trees there. No?
We should have got Dylan. Once he gets in the bush, he's too long gone.
Did he stop? No. He's on a mission to go somewhere. Somewhere safe.